Hello students, welcome to the series of experiments in physics presented by Mobile Science Lab. In this particular class, let us see the behavior of the current flowing in different materials. Here we have taken 4 materials, rather this is the copper coil. We have wound in the form of a coil. This is the brass wire, aluminum wire and nichrome wire. The length of each material is the same and area of cross section of all these materials are identical. See, here I have taken 4 coils of the same length. The length of the copper coil, the length of the brass coil, the length of the aluminum coil and the length of the nichrome coil is the same. Thickness of the wire of all these copper, brass, aluminum and nichrome coils are the same. That means copper coil, brass, aluminum and nichrome wires are identical. Here we have to give power and then check the intensity of the bulb and compare with different materials. Now, see now, first of all, let me connect it to the nichrome coil. This is the nichrome coil. This is the battery power. This is a battery of 3 volts and I have connected one terminal to the common end and now I am connecting it to the nichrome wire. You can see that the faint glow of the bulb is here. You can see the faint glow here. Do you see that? Yes. Now, when I move to the next coil, that is aluminum coil, you see that the bulb has started glowing brightly because there is more number of charges flowing through that. That means the current going through the aluminum coil is more than what you observed in the case of nichrome coil. And when I put it in the brass, more or less the same. And copper, when I connected it to the copper coil, it is glowing more brightly. That means the resistance of the copper coil is very much less, so that the more current goes through the bulb and the bulb glows more brightly. The resistance of the nichrome wire is very high. Because of that, the current flow through this bulb is small. That is indicated by a faint glow of the bulb. When I move to the aluminum coil, it is better than the nichrome glow. The brass one is still better and the copper is the brightest of all. This way we can learn that the specific resistance of different materials are going to be different. Based on that, the current flowing through each coil of these materials, copper, brass, aluminum and nichrome, are different, and the difference in current is being indicated by the intensity of the bulb. With the observations we have made about the glow of the bulb in 4 coils, we can conclude that copper is a good conductor and nichrome resistance is very high. Because of that, nichrome is used for heating purposes. And we have studied the specific resistance and the current flow through different coils of different materials. Thank you very much.